Tim Collins with Cullman today. I'm now at the Cullman Civic Center with the president of the Cullman County Bar Association, Terry Knight. Mr. Knight, you had a big crowd giving away free legal advice this morning, didn't you?
Yes, we did.
Now, I counted about 35 different folks who came through. What did you counsel folks on?
We had a variety of legal issues, primarily involving civil matters. There were a few questions, at least that I talked about, with some folks having some basic criminal questions, but we weren't really here for criminal cases today. But I know at least I covered a variety of cases, from estate cases to domestic cases, and some other just general questions about situations with some legal, just trying to get some basic legal advice about which way to go, what's the process or procedures about how to get back before a court in certain cases where they may not be able to afford lawyers. And we were there, all of us there, to help give them some good basic legal advice. Also, give them our cards and information if we can help them in the future with these particular cases where they maybe cannot afford a lawyer, and we're willing to help them at least through some important legal situations that these folks were facing. And we just offer it as a benefit for our community. We love our community as lawyers who practice here, and we want to make this a better and stronger community. We believe a good way of doing that is to offer our services to help people who are less fortunate to get some of their legal questions answered, and to hopefully get some of their legal matters solved.
Well, I was impressed because you had 5 different attorneys, 5 different tables, people waiting in line, and you just kept it moving. I was surprised at the turnout. It was pretty impressive.
We did a little better job this time. We've done this at various times in the past. One that sticks in my mind is our bar sort of stepped up when Hurricane Katrina came through, and we had a lot of displaced folks. I think several of them were being housed at Wallace State Community College for a period of time, and we offered a day or a couple of sessions, I believe, where folks even who were displaced from Louisiana during the flood, we were able to help them figure out how to get documentation that had been lost, and all kind of a variety of issues that were really bearing down on people's minds who were already distressed. That was a time that I remember that the local bars stood up and did the right thing to help people who were in need, and we're all about that. We want to help people, and especially today, we want to help people in our own community.
Yeah. Well, speaking of helping people, for those who couldn't attend, if they need legal advice, an attorney, what's the best way to find one in Cullman County?
Certainly, I'm sure everybody say Google that, or check the internet, or look in the phone book. Although those are available, certainly our office is willing to give information pertaining to various lawyers that are willing to help people out. There's a legal aid society that you can go through in our state. Our state bar also offers a lot of free legal advice and to help people get on the right track to have some of their problems resolved if they cannot afford a lawyer. There are lawyers all over this state who are very willing to help people who are desperately in need to help solve some critical legal matters in their life.
Well, that's good information, because that was part of today's Pro Bono day, is to help people get where they need to go legally. One last question. We're down here at the Civic Center. They've done some remodeling. It was a nice room that they had for you guys.
Yes, they did, and we appreciate the City of Cullman, the Parks and Rec Department, for donating this space for us to use today. And as you were able to see, it was well used, and we think that was time well spent for the citizens of our community.
Mr. Knight, I appreciate your time. Thanks so much for speaking with me. I'll let you get back in there.
All right. Thank you.